Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today I am here with one of the topic related to the writing skill which is in your course, which is in your syllabus, that is informal letter writing. Let's begin with it. First we should know that what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another. I think you all are aware about this. Now there are two types of letters in English, that is formal letter and informal letter. Let's see what is the difference between these two types of letters. Formal letters is a way to communicate your perception of a serious issue. We write formal letters for professional or official purposes. The language which we used for writing formal letter should be simple and easy to read. Now, informal letter, it is a way to communicate your perception to a friend or a relative. We write informal letter for casual and personal communication. The language which we use to write informal letter should be friendly, emotional and casual. So these are the two types in English, that is formal letter and informal letter. Now let's proceed toward our topic, informal letter. As we already discussed about that, it is a way of communication, your perception to a friend or a relative. So first the question arises, what is the format of writing informal letter? So here is the format. First we write sender's name and address. If the name is given in the question, you can use that one. If it is not given, then use your own. After that, number second, we will write date. Below address, after leaving one line, we mention date on which we are writing a letter. After writing the date, we will leave one line and write salutation. In salutation part, when we are writing a letter to our friend, we mostly use dear, or we are writing a letter to our parents, so we use dear mother, dear father, or you can use a name also like dear honey, etc. After writing salutation part, leave one line and start writing body of the letter. Body of the letter consists 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, we discuss about introduction. In introduction, we write purpose of the letter. After that, in second paragraph, we write main content of the letter, in which we will give all detailed information. In paragraph 3, we conclude our letter, in which we summarizes the information. Now there are certain things need to be remembered while writing the body of the letter. First, casual tone. Because we are writing informal letter, so we should use casual tone. No formal language. Or number B, we use contractions, like it is not necessary to write do not. We can use contraction forms like don't. In place of had not, we can use hadn't, right? Number C, use exclamatory sentences. For making your letter impressive or exciting, you can use exclamatory sentences also. Number D, you should write sentences in active voice. So the sentences you are using in your letter should be in active voice. Number E, no strict rule to divide the body of the letter in 3 paragraphs. There is no any strict rule in your course that you have to divide your letter in 3 paragraphs. You can write it in 2 or you can write it in 3. It's depend on you. Number 5th point of the format of informal writing, that is complimentary closing. Complimentary closing, we mostly use your sincerely, your lovingly, your bestie. These are the complimentary close we use after writing, after completing the body of the letter. Then after writing complimentary close, we write number 6th point, that is sender's name and address. The person who is writing the letter, we mention the name of that person. Now on the basis of the format which we had discussed now, let's solve one example of informal letter. Question is, write a letter to your friend to wish him on his birthday. Now let's start writing the letter. Mihir, W102, Aditya Nagar, Mumbai. This is the sender's name and the address. We are using our own name because no name is given in the question and no address is given in the question. So if the name and the address of the sender is not given in the question, you can use your own. After leaving one line, we will write date on which we are writing letter. After that, leaving one line, we will write salutation part. As we are writing this letter to our friend, so we can use the name of the friend or we can use dear bestie. Now after writing salutation part, start writing the main body of the letter. I can't believe that one of my oldest and surely closest friend is already 15. You don't look that young though. I hope that you have year full of blessings. Oh, I forgot. You already have me the best blessing. I would like to remind you of the commitment you had with me. We had an agreement that you would call me at least once a week. I have even done a recharge of ₹10 on your mobile, but still waiting for your call. Now, it's high time for you to fulfill this and many such promises. Well, fun apart, many happy returns of the day. I hope you achieve all your dreams this year and have a year full of happiness and success. So this is the main body of the letter. After writing main body, we will write complimentary close. So we use yours lovingly and in the end sender's name, that is Mihir. So this is the one solved example for informal letter writing. I hope it is clear to you all. That's all for today. Any query related to the topic, feel free to ask. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.